Oh, you can't be seen on the news? Like, oh, I can't be seen here tonight. I will. Not today.
I'm gonna look at this in my car.
Oh my God.
Well, he in the truck.
Holy sh...
Insurance wants to look at it. You know that? I think we could get. It's on my car. I'd drive that out.
Whoa. Huh?
I'd drive it out of this. We
My...
got his out. We got his out. His looks pretty bad. We got Richie's out, and Richie's half a tree fell on.
Jeez.
Wow, look at that one. Wow, look at the size of this tree that went. There goes the Christmas tree. Hey, I want you to take a big snow.
Yeah. I'm not getting out tonight.
2 blocks of houses, there's a couple houses destroyed down there. Oh, really? Should we go down there?
You can't get there.
I think I see her.
Dang.
I don't know if it's gonna be worth it.
Hey, Cleveland.
Huh?
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Cleveland, you can say that you were in a tornado now.
Oh, this is my second one.
Here, we can get through here, underneath here.
I'm not crawling. Oh, wow. This
Unless
is
they
wild,
let us through.
Huh?
Unless they let us through.
Still
Right. Through their yard here?
Yeah. I'm sure it's like...
Yeah, I mean, it's...
What?
I think it's going to be the same no matter what. All the way down? Yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah,
Sidewalk. Look at that sidewalk is cool.
Believe me, you'll see it on the news.
Don't work there.
Is your dad all worried?
Ah, yeah.
You'd be better off walking right over the top of that tree.
Hope another one don't come, because we can't get back to the house right very quick.
I'll just run into somebody's house. I'm like,
What's that?
I'll just run into somebody's house. Dang. Oh.
Damn.
Wow.
I was in the basement and they were all in the garage.
The hamburgers and hot dogs on the flying man.
I was real. Yeah.
Crazy, man.
Yeah.
Dad, you're like, that was great.
Yeah. I think the worst of it's down here. I mean, it kind of starts right at the corner. And
Yeah, my mom's been tired the last
Oh, look at that house right there.
Oh my God.
Look at that house right there.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Think your phone's gonna get wet?
Oh, that's fine.
It'll be alright.
Yeah.
Careful, guys. It's fancy.
That's in a garage right over here. It's gone.
Like,
John, are you gonna put that on Facebook?
yeah.
Good, I'm gonna take it. For Candy. Can't,
Oh.
another one comes through and we're like gonna.
I see. No, I'm gonna see. Wow, this is bad.